Hello, Paul again here from EMD. Just want to show you what we're doing on this Porsche 986. We've done the fuel pump. If you look inside there, look down there, the part there. There's the fuel pump there. It's a brand new one. And if you see the white hoses, the new white plastic hose there, that's the brand new one as well. If you come across this one here, this is the reason why this fuel pump failed, because someone took this fuel pump probably like a few years back, I'll say maybe 5 years ago, and replaced this fuel pump with a without replacing this. They got a new pump that fits inside here, and we can tell by someone, they put a extra hose clamp in there. Look here, there's a hose clamp there. Hose clamp there, that shouldn't be there, that should be a press fit. And you can see the edges. See the edges being cut. It's not straight. See the edges there? That's been cut. It's not straight. Should be like this one here. That one there is the return. Should be like that. So I can tell it's been done. And then what they've done, because they fitted a different one. Look at the connection is very loose. And this one here is already nearly broken, and the hoses, I think they cracked the hoses inside, and the fuel was still coming out, but it wasn't really, the pressure was dropping. All right, so we got a brand new one, OEM actually, not the one from Porsche. Got an OEM one, and then we're gonna fit it now to the car, and we'll start it up, and then we'll see what happens. Okay, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.